So the same day that I mentioned that I'm not sure where I'm going after my first Airbnb on the organic farm is up, June the 13th, I get a message from one of my pet sitting, house sitting sites that I belong to, where it's a community where people, basically exchange. Either you go and help watch their pets while they take a vacation, and you get to basically stay there for free. Well, one reached out to me and we had the most amazing conversation. I grew up in Long Island, New York. She grew up in Long Island, New York. We grew up like one town apart. We started talking and it was like such a synergy. I'm like, whoa, this is not a coincidence. You know what I mean? Not a coincidence. So we had an amazing conversation, a synergy. It just feels right. It feels really good. And I'm going to go and watch her dogs for a couple of weeks. I think it's 2 or 3 weeks. I'm not sure yet of the details. So we just got off the phone. But just how amazing is it when you walk in faith, when you just do a spirit-led thing? Most people would have fear, not faith. They would have fear based on they need to know where they're going. They're grounded. They need to know where you're going next. How can you not know where you're going in 3 weeks from now? But I don't look at it that way. I look at it as it will be revealed to me. I put things out there. I take the effort, right? You have to put some action. You just can't dream, sit in your bed and dream this is going to happen. You have to take some action. I created a profile on a pet sitting site, and that profile got a response. It's just that simple, right? It got a response, and the response is just phenomenal, though. Like the synchronicity of what we have going on just from a conversation, I can feel it. So you'll witness it because I'll take you through the steps once I get there, but I know where I'm going after North Carolina, so I'll be off to another state. So stay tuned for the journey. Happy you're with me.